Hi, it's Rochelle, wildinsideyt channel. I'm in the forest and I'm wondering if you have ever seen something like that. Yes, that's the anthill. But there's a quite big hole, and the question is, who made it? Not the ants. I didn't step on it. So who made this hole? The answer is European green woodpecker. The ants are his favorite food, and that's the way how he destroys the anthills to get them. Today is February, it's winter. That's why this hole is still here. The ants hibernate summer in the anthill, and they are not going to repair it now. They are waiting for a warmer days, for spring. That's all, thanks for watching, I hope you liked it. You can also check my Facebook profile wildinsideyt if you want to. And I'll be back with the next curiosity. Bye!